Ngelinye ilanga ake ngixoxele, kuthiwa uNoah akakhe umkhumbi. Uma bethi Noah yakha umkhumbi, abamlalelanga abantu. Okokuqala lokho. Number 2, bathi Moses hamba ukhipha abantwana ezweni laseGibhithe basezweni laka-Israyeli. Abamlalelanga uMoses. That's number 2, because Moses wakwasuka ezweni laseGibhithe ebulele esasemncane. Number 2, uzokhumbula ngo-December towards end, I made a prophecy, the accurate prophecy about 2025. I've specified so many things that are happening, specifically the General Lieutenant mkhwananzi. I spoke about him, mkhwananzi, and I spoke about him. The politicians wanted to interfere about his job, and it is really happening. Let me prophesy again. This shall pass. Hear me carefully. This shall pass because I do have a solution. I decided not to talk now, but to act. And this message, I wanted this message to go to him. This shall pass. All your enemies will kneel down. They shall respect you. Whoever is pretending to be a friend while he knows very well or she knows very well that she or he is a snake, you shall defeat them in the mighty name of your ancestors and also my ancestors. We will communicate with the ancestors. They will answer your prayers. Wherever okuqa khona ukhuluma uyezwakala emazulwini. I am here to say it is the strongest prayer that we are doing as traditional healers. As a pastor, we are standing with mkhwananzi all the way. This shall pass because I was the first one to see it. You can lie, whatever do, but my ancestors, I'm the first one to see all this conflict that is going on, and I do have a solution. If you are in Joburg on Sunday, I will be in Joburg. Very powerful service. I need to pray for you. If you are in Joburg, 379 Biligitani Street, Pinville, Soweto, the service will start on Sunday, 8 o'clock in the morning. From 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, it will end at 11. From 11 o'clock till 3 p.m., it's a Zion church. You will remember, is Zion a chief user. And let me tell you, on Saturday, I will be consulting people one-on-one. I have an unfinished business with you. I have always said, once you dream or come across this video, whatever situation that you are facing, can I be involved in that business? Can I be involved in all those enemies who are trying to kill you? I will try my level best to defeat them. Allow me, call me on my number to book your appointment and to get the direction. You will not get me direct, but you will get my assistance. 071 130 7808. I don't know, but as you are watching this video, because there was a dream that came 2 days before this video and you forgot about it. That was your success. You were given keys, but the moment of saying ukhohliwe. Can I remind you about that dream? Can I tell you the solution about that? Ngoba kufiwe ekhaya kini. You don't know imvelaphi yakho. You think you know, but you don't know the truth. Can I talk to you? Labantu abadala abaphakama kuwena bakwenza ube nenhliziyo encane. Can I fix that? You can do better than that. Let those who are gossiping about your name, they are actually giving you power. Because landlord ijike for a reason. Lo mfazi osejikile waqomana nabangani bakhe abantu who are very close to you. Bayeke labasebenzi asebejike bakuhleba kodwa ubasiza. Let them go. But one day you will come to me. I will fix it. It is never too late. Inkomo zakho, imoto yakho yalahleka, it's never too late to recover it. But one day you will come to me. 066 00 266 33. That is the number to call at any time. Book your appointment, get the direction, come to me. Into wayilanda esikaka manje. You are getting a difficult time, you can't sleep at night. Walanda into uyitshela ukuthi izokuboostela business yakho. But this thing is now killing your family. It's taking everything away. Lo muntu owusebenzisayo izinto zima kakhulu. No, it's because there is a mistake that you need to correct. But I will be patient, I will wait. You will make it one day. You cannot be dreaming about me. You cannot be coming across my videos. We've got an unfinished business. You are holding your things. See you. 072 1234 976. We will talk.